Hello. This video will go over how to send the order into the manufacturers. It is assumed that you have watched video number 1, ordering special order pots, which went over entering the customers the pots are for, the service work orders, and so on. Okay, now that we've done that, you've watched that video, now we need to send the order in. We're going to hit the escape key, and we're going to orders. Now this is where everything that we put in the course of the day that we need to order for stock, for customers, for service, are all going to get sorted by the different manufacturers and they get put in right here. Now it organizes them and says, okay, this is what I need to order for Yamaha. Obviously I don't have enough for free freight. Here's what I need to order for Evinrude. Here's what I need to order for Kellogg's Marine. Also, if you're using a preferred supplier option, like you may say, I don't order my Mercury pots from Mercury, I get them from Kellogg's Marine, it would automatically put it in the Kellogg's Marine order, and when it comes in, it will stock it under the Mercury number. But let's take a look at the ones that we did in video number 1. We actually use this particular manufacturer here, and there are two options here. Number 1 is I am going to left click, and this shows me who the pots are for. Now these are ones that I put in on the video number 1. These are the ones dated today. These are ones that were in there in the past. So there's for Tom Brady, a new customer, 588, and in stock. If you watch the first video, you would see how these things got put in here. Okay, now I want to send that order in. I am going to right click, and I'm doing exactly what the system tells me at the screen down here. I'm going to right click. And now, obviously, we're not going to go over in detail, but we could merge it in with a computer-suggested order. But I just want to order all those pots that I manually told the computer I needed. I'm going to hit OK. It'll automatically assign a PO number. You can key in your own if you wish. And now it added them all together. So I need to add 46. As you remember, we use the exact same pot number. Now, while I'm here, I also can put additional pots that I need to order. If I want, I can just hit add new pots. I could type in whatever pot number I wanted or scan it in. If I need to do a lookup, I could do a lookup. I'm going to select this pot right here. Now, whenever you type in a pot number to order, it'll tell you, obviously, intelligent information so you can make smart decisions. It's given me my 13 months. Obviously, I haven't sold this pot in 13 months. Last time I ordered it was 2017. I haven't sold it. If I was intelligent, I wouldn't want to order this pot. But I am going to override it and type in 2. Now, I could select here. It'll tell me all the different companies that I've been ordering it from. I could select here, and it'll tell me all the customers that purchased it, all the returns that I've had, any lost sales that I had, any notes on the pot, or I could go right to the maintenance program and see everything I want to know about that particular item. In this case, I entered 2, and I'm going to hit the Enter key. It's telling me, okay, you want 2. It's packaged by 5. So what it's telling me is, do I want 2 packages and get 10, or I just need 2? Obviously, I only want 2. I only want to get 1 package. It's going to verify the price. So I could go in and enter as many pots as I wish. I obviously have enough for free freight. Now I want to send this order in to my manufacturer. So I'm done editing in my order. And now I want to transmit. Now I can send that order in electronically by selecting here. It will automatically send that order electronically. I can just print it out if I wish. I can email it. So let's just print it out for now. And obviously I could email it if I wish. And obviously this is my PO. That's the manufacturer it's going to. There's my order number. And now that pot's been ordered. Now at the end of the day, obviously that's not on my list anymore. So normally at the end of the day, it's pretty simple. You would just right click, I want to order it. Yes, I want to order. Here's my PO number. Here's the pots. Now, I have a problem here. You know, I'm a little bit short on the free freight. So maybe what I want to do is add another pot, maybe add some more pots that I may need, or maybe I just want to change this here. Maybe I just want to add that to 5. And now I got my free freight. You know, and I want to do the same thing. Now on here, I'm going to hit the escape key. Obviously, I could transmit it electronically if I wish. I'm just going to click here. So basically, if you look what's going on here, I'll do my Kellogg's Marine order. So at the end of the day, it's relatively simple. I just sent that order in. Now maybe on Mercury, I'll do that tomorrow. So now our pots have been ordered. Now, one nice thing about telling the computer you ordered it is that if a customer calls up and says, hey, what's going on with my parts? I can click here. I can type in the first name, last name, a part number. Obviously, we do generic lookup, so you can type in anything you want. And if it's Brady that wants to know what's going on, it tells me everything we're looking for right here. Now, obviously, this is the one that I put in with you on video number 1. And it's telling me that, yes, he paid 100% up front. This is the date he asked for it. This is the date that we ordered it. We ordered it from this particular manufacturer, which happens to be Evinrude, and there's the PO number. So you'll always know what's going on. Now, this is how you can order it. Now, you could have also ordered it just by calling up on the phone. And if you've done that and you didn't tell the computer you ordered it, what we're going to be going over next is receiving the order. Now, when you're receiving the order, there are 2 ways of receiving it. If you told the computer you ordered it, then obviously you would select here. If you didn't tell the computer you ordered it, you would actually select manual order. Now, the difference is if you told the computer you ordered it, the part number is already in the system. You're not keying in part numbers. It knows exactly what's on that order, and it's actually quite simple. If you just called up on the phone and ordered it manually, now you're manually going to have to type in each individual part number. Watch the next video on receiving special orders, and we'll go over this in detail. Have a great day.